would like to convince you to let our country, Tanzania, into the Great Nations program.
In this video, my partner and I are going to tell you the ups and downs of our country.
So when we are done, we hope you will accept our country.
First category will be institutions, which I will be telling you about. Tanzania is a democratic republic with a president, which is me, Benjamin Mkapa.
The president is elected on the same day as the vice president, which is me, Ali Mohammed Hussein, and is allowed to be in office for 5 years.
The Prime Minister is Frederick Sumaye, who is not able to be here today. I, the President, appoint him.
Well, that is one of the 3 parts of institutions. The next part will be about the education system in our country.
Each grade is a different language. Like in elementary, they learn the main language, Kiswahili, also known as Swahili. In the high school, children learn to speak English.
In our country, all the schools have to wear uniforms, and each school has a different uniform.
Now for our last part of institutions, ethnic groups.
First, there are 130 different ethnic groups. Unfortunately, we are going to tell you a few of them.
90% of the population is African, of course. 30 of the groups are Batanu.
With only 13% of the population, the Nyamwezi Sakuma is the only group with more than 1 million members.
Now we are done with institutions. The next category is arts.
Traditional Ngoma music remains one of the most popular styles.
The dancers go to the beat of the drum and are accompanied by singers.
Another style of music is song poems. Well, that is the last of the arts.
The next one is environment, which has 2 categories.
The climate is tropical and wet-dry, which means it has very humid, and sometimes rains.
The normal or average temp is about 90 degrees or 32 degrees Celsius. Rain falls primarily from March to May and from October to December, with seasonal varieties from north to south.
That's the first half of environment. The next half is about the land area.
Tanzania covers about 364,844 square miles of Africa.
It consists of the mainland, Tanganyika, and the lower coral islands that are just off of the coast of the Pacific Island. The islands are Mafia, Zanzibar, and Zanzibar.
Tanzania shares the 3 biggest lakes in Africa, which are Lake Victoria, Lake Nyaiwa, and Lake Tanganyika. Some of the wildlife in Tanzania are zebras, antelopes, elephants, hippos, rhinos, giraffes, and lions.
Now to the next section of which is recreation.
Some of the sports our country has include soccer, track and field, and boxing. These are the popular sports in Tanzania.
The country is known for its world-class runners. The water sports are popular along the coast.
Another sport is volleyball, which is a favorite among the ladies.
Like you guys, in the United States, people here enjoy socializing at coffee houses or at their own house.
Now for the second part of recreation.
The sound is considered an insult.
Now for holidays, which include New Year, Revolution Day, which is on January 12th, Union Day on April 26th, Labor Day on May 1st, Farmers' Day on July 7th, International Trade Day on August 8th, and Independence Day on December 9th. That is it for recreation.
The next thing we will be telling you about is beliefs.
In Tanzania, about 1/3 of our country is Christian and the other third is Muslim.
Zanzibar, a little island off to the right of Tanzania, part of it is nearly all the people are Muslim.
And the last religion is a traditional culture, like your African Americans. Well, that is the end of our video. Hope you enjoyed it and accept our country in the Great Nations program and in people who live in it as well.